Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. Welcome to the first video of 2022. I'm so excited to be back here, and today's video I'm gonna do a makeup look. I'm gonna be using different kind of palettes that I'll show you throughout the video. If you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below and follow me on my social media as well. I post a lot on Instagram. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'm gonna start off with some concealer because I have really dark circles, and I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals concealer. I like this tiny thing because it's perfect for traveling or anything that you need to use it for. And I'm bringing it on my eyelid too because we're gonna be using some eyeshadow, and this can work as a primer. This concealer is just to start off, but I'm probably gonna apply some more once I do some eyeshadows, just in case I have any follow, which most likely I will. For this look, I'm gonna be using the Naked Heat palette. It's this one. I don't know if it's still out, if you can still get it, but if not, just like look for some earthy tones. I'm gonna start with the shade Sauced right here and apply it all over the eyelid. Now I'm gonna apply some Heat Devil on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm gonna take the shade Ounce and apply that on my eyelid. And now we're gonna take some glitter. I'm using the Nikita palette collaboration with Morphe, and take the shade Estrogen, which is like this pink shimmer shadow. I'm gonna take it with my finger and apply it on my eyelid. I'm gonna go for a wet glossy look, so I think I'm gonna do like some lip gloss on the eyelids as well. We have some glitter in the eyes already. I'm gonna clean up some fallout and clean like these lines over here with some concealer. I am using the same concealer for that. For that glossy look, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's on the shade Fussy, and I'm just gonna take a tiny bit and put it like in the center of the eyelid. Now I'm gonna go with foundation, and I'm using the Good Apple foundation on medium 048. I always like applying this with a beauty blender instead of the brush. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go with eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia brow definer, and I like to create like small strokes so that it simulates the hair. And I also like to use this brow gel from Science Looks. It makes my eyebrows stay in place, and it's also brush my eyebrows and just make them look good. Now I'm gonna be applying eyeliner, and I'm using the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I'm just gonna do a small wing. I'm gonna add a little bit more of lip gloss on the eyelid. And take the shade Lumbre for the inner corner of the eye, and also for my lower lash line. Now for mascara, I'm using this one. This is a Mexican brand, but it contains caffeine, and it makes your lashes look longer, fuller, and it also helps your lashes to grow. It has some really good oils that help your lashes grow a lot. I like to do either 1 or 2 coats of mascara. For blush and highlighter and all that stuff, I'm using the Glow Getter face palette from Blink. I love that it has everything. It has from contouring, to blush to anything that you would need. So I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm using the Resilient. And adding some Confident as a highlighter. And that's it for this look. I hope that you like it. It is a very like glossy, wet kind of look. I think it's perfect for this 2022 and to start everything glowing and looking pretty. I hope that you really like this video. This is the first video of the year, so please help me by giving it a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. But yeah, I hope to see you on more of my next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.